This is a cross-examination that may only happen once in a lawyer's lifetime. We just won a medical malpractice case in Miami. We claimed that the hospital needed to bring in a specialist for a consultation while our client was still in the hospital. The hospital claimed that a consultation with a specialist was not needed and it was okay to discharge our client with instructions to follow up with one. Both sides hired expert witnesses to testify and support our respective positions. Here's some quick background. An ultrasound was done first thing in the morning to rule out the disease. Because our client was in so much pain, he couldn't sit still and the report came back severely technically limited. But there was abnormal findings and the radiologist said he couldn't rule out the disease. At this point, the hospital didn't call a specialist and instead gave our client medicine and waited 2 hours to repeat the study. The second study came back normal with a note that there were no definite signs of the disease. After the second ultrasound came back normal, they discharged our client with instructions to follow up with a specialist in a couple days. And he ended up suffering injuries from the delay. Before trial, I did some research about the defense expert and discovered he wrote a chapter in a book on this very disease.